Who's in the Bini man? Ikwerre people. And they see a shape person. A shape person is in your people. And I must say, see, when people don't know their roots and their history, a shape, like I said before, is one of the dispersal point of Igbo. All of them, they are all Ranka people. All Ranka people are from Owerri, are from Etche. Then the greatest deity in Igbo land, Amadioha, is at Osusu. Amadioha Osusu. That's the headquarters of Amadioha's worship. Yeah. And an Etche man. What do you want to achieve by denying who you are? And Ikwerre man is saying he's from Bini. Which Bini be that?
AsariDokubo said that those Ikwerre and Etche people that are saying that they are not Igbo people don't know their history. Any Ikwerre and Etche person that is telling you that Ikwerre and Etche is not Igbo, they don't know their history. Some Etche people will tell you that the name of their founder is called Echefu. Some said that it's called Etche. Some said that it's called Ochie. Some said it's called Etche. So many Etche people will tell you that Etche is from Bini, that they migrated around the 7th century. In the 7th century, Bini kingdom is not in existence then. Bini kingdom came into existence around late 1200s AD. Bini is at least 800 and something years old. 7th century is older than 1200s AD. How can you be claiming that you came from Bini kingdom that is not in existence during the time of your migration? Is Echefu a Bini name? No. Is Etche a Bini name? No. Is Ochie a Bini name? No. Ochie means old. In Igbo dialect, we say Oka Ochie. Oka Ochie means old corn. Corn of last year. We go call them Oka Ochie. If we want to say in the past in Igbo, we say Oge Ochie. If we want to say my father in the past in Igbo dialect, we say Nnam Ochie. Ochie means old, ancient, the past. Some Etche people will tell you that the name of their founder is called Echefu. What is the meaning of Echefu? Echefu means to forget. If they say it's Echefuna, Echefuna means don't forget. This means why they tell you so. If you go other Igbo communities and regions, that is what they will tell you. In Etche also, this means that I'm telling you now is what Etche people will tell you that is the meaning of that name Ochie. That is the meaning of that name Echefu. If they say that the name of the ancestor is Etche, Etche means to think, to reason. Bini kingdom don't have chi in their alphabet. Some people don't have chi in their alphabet. Igodo don't have chi in their alphabet. Urobo don't have chi in their alphabet. Isoko don't have chi in their alphabet. Igbo have chi in their alphabet, and Igbo are indigenous in Idu land. Even Ijo does not have chi in their alphabet. If Etche people say that they migrated from Idu land to their present location, it's expected of them to know which ethnic nationality are they in Idu land, which tribe are they in Idu land. That is the same problem that we are facing in Okwane land. You will see Okwane people that migrated from Idu land, the name of their ancestor that left Idu land and founded their new settlement is an Igbo name. Instead of those Okwane people to know that they are Igbo people, that they did reverse migration from Idu land to their present location, they will be telling you that they are Bini people. In Ikwerre origin, Ikwerre people have 3 major ancestors. The first one is Akalaka. The second one is Ochichi. The third one is Okpo Nwagidi. Okpo Nwagidi is from Arochukwu in Abia State. Okpo Nwagidi founded Isiokpo people in Ikwerre land. Isiokpo in Ikwerre land are seen by other Ikwerre people as the head of Ikwerre people. If you go to Isiokpo today, their elders will tell you that they are from Arochukwu in Abia State. Akalaka that gave birth to some Ikwerre people, he traces his ancestry to Abo in Okwane land. There is a community in Rivers State called Oba. Akalaka gave birth to Oba, Ekpeye, and some part of Ikwerre. Some communities in Oba will tell you that they migrated from Abo in Okwane land. They said that they did not come from Bini, that they are from Abo. Those Oba people will tell you that they are children of Akalaka, but that they migrated from Abo. That is supposed to let you know that Akalaka is from Abo in Okwane land. Some Ikwerre people said that they migrated from Ibanke. Ibanke is an Igbo community in Edo State. They came to Igbo Unification Conference that we did last year in Okpanam. They said that some Ikwerre people migrated from Ibanke, an Igbo community indigenous in Edo State. If you look at the name Akalaka, we and Yama people, what we call destiny is Akala Aka. In Okwane we say Akalaka. In Oshimiri and the Anyocha, they say Akalaka. Ochichi is another ancestor in Ikwerre land. He is a brother to Akalaka. Ochichi has 2 meanings in Igbo language. Ochichi means leader, ruler, Onye Ochichi. Ochichi also means darkness. The ancestors of Ikwerre people came from Imo State, Abia State, and Anioma land here. These are the places that gave birth to Ikwerre people, Oga people, Ekpeye people, Etche people, and others. The biggest and the most popular deity in Igbo land is Amadioha. And the headquarters of Amadioha is in Etche in Ozuzo. The biggest deity in Ikwerre land is Amadioha. Another biggest deity in Ikwerre land is called Ale. What is the meaning of Ale in English? Ale in English is ground, earth. Ane in Okwane is ground, earth. Other Igbo regions call it Ala. Ala means ground, Ala means earth. Why is it that Ikwerre people did not call the biggest deity in their land as Ogun, Sango, Orumila, Eshu, just as it is in Bini land? All the deities in Bini kingdom came from Ile-Ife. None of those deities in Bini kingdom is found in Ikwerre land. None of them is found in Etche land. None of them is found in Okwane land. Ikwerre people worship Amadioha so much. They believe in Amadioha. That is why in Ikwerre land today, so many of them are bearing the name Amadi. If you go to Imo State, so many of Imo State people, they bear the name Amadi. Do Bini people bear Amadi? No. If Etche people say that they are from Bini, that they are Bini people. Number one, the time of their migration from Idu land is older than the existence of Bini. So, why are you claiming the identity that you are older than? The reason why we are telling the history of Idu land is for our people to know that Bini kingdom is not the only kingdom in Idu land. There are different tribes and ethnicities that make up Idu land. Esan is there, Igodomi is there, Igbo is there, Urobo is there, Isoko is there, Ijo is there. If you migrate from that place, mention the name of your ancestor so that we will know the ethnicity and tribe of your ancestor in Idu land. The founder of Etche is called Echefu, Oche, or Etche. That name is the name of Ndi Igbo. Other ethnicities in Idu land, they don't bear that kind of name. The only people that bear that name is Ndi Igbo. AsariDokubo said that what do Ikwerre and Etche people want to achieve by denying their Igbo identity? What are Etche people benefiting from by saying that they are not Igbo people? What are Ikwerre people benefiting from by saying that they are not Igbo people? Ikwerre people go there say, see wetin ndị Igbo do us. That is the reason why we are saying that we are not Igbo people. Any issue where Ikwerre people they get with ndị Igbo for Southeast, settle the issue. Deny your Igbo identity because of say you and this Igbo region they get issue shows that you are a coward. So if an Ikwerre region now gets issue with other Ikwerre region, they go come start to talk say they not be Ikwerre people. We not be Ikwerre people, we be Rumomasi people, we not be Ikwerre people, we be this oh, we be that oh. If you say that your ancestors migrated from Idu land, check the name of that your ancestor that came out from Idu land and know whether this name is a Bini name, Igbo name, Ijo name, Isekiri name, Igodomigodo name, or Esa name. If the name of your ancestor that left Idu land to your present location is Igbo name, you people are Igbo people. If you want to tell your history, you say, our ancestors are Igbo from Idu land. Stop calling that land Bini land. That land is not Bini land. That land is called Idu land. When you call that land Idu, some people are Idu people. The indigenous Igbos in Idu land are Idu people. Igodomigodo people are Idu people. Everyone indigenous in that land are called Idu people. Now that's Bini when they call that land, they make when they feel say anything will come out from that land are Bini. Other ethnicities have been existing in Idu land before this Yoruba people called Bini invaded Idu land from Ile-Ife. Etche people are Igbo people. Ikwerre people are Igbo people. We Anima people, we are Igbo people. Let's stop denying our Igbo identity. Igbo bofu, Ishegwale.